Hanuman, beautiful. Thank you so much for that. So today we will look at and try to access Vayu. Let's start with prayer. Just as you listen to the prayer, come to this present moment, park any preoccupations, anything, and allow the chant to bring you to your breath and to your body as it is just now. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Stay connected to your breath. Inhale and exhale as we go into the core essence of this breath today. We've been looking at the Panchakutas and how to tune into the elements inside us and access the elements in the universe itself and their qualities, their strengths, their features. We saw earth, water, we saw Agni, fire. So today we will look at and try to access Vayu. The best way in which we can do that is tuning into the breath. So bring your palms to your abdomen first. Let us, as always, activate and lengthen the exhalation. Working with the exhalation is key to start working with the breath. So breathe in easy. Blow out air through the mouth. And as you do that, connect to your abdomen. Let's do it one more time and allow the air to come out all the way from the abdomen and out. Breathe in easy and blow out. Now convert the blowing out to sound. I'm going to use Om chanting. Please follow with me, chanting Om for the exhalation. In case Om is not working for you, you can chant Ma and elongate the Ma as you elongate the exhalation. Release air as you chant. Inhale easy. Om. One more time, inhale easy. Om. Now shift one palm to your diaphragm area. The diaphragm area is right at the end of your rib cage. At the end of the rib cage where there is a hollow there. Feel the hollow. Please don't dig in. Just simply place your palm there gently. Now we will also make the inhalation conscious. So as you inhale, feel as if you're breathing into this upper palm area. Okay, as if you're going to push out the upper palm. Alright? Inhale into the upper palm. Om from the abdomen. Om. Let's do this one more time. Just ensure that you're not breathing in with your shoulders and neck and raising your shoulders, okay, or tightening up these muscles. Just keep the shoulders down and concentrate on the diaphragm area as you breathe in. Breathe in easy, concentrating on the upper palm. Om from the abdomen. Om. Keep in touch with your breath. Take a normal breath. You can bring your palms back again to your lap, keeping the palms facing up. Allow the breath to come back to its natural resting rhythm. That is its natural default automatic breathing. How the body is breathing in naturally and breathing out naturally. Just come back to that. But still being aware and conscious of the breath. And as you breathe in and breathe out, Become aware that this is the best way in which you can harness the power of Vayu, the power of wind, the element air in yourself. Your breath carries all the qualities of Vayu in you. So just watching this breath, you can bring into focus the element Vayu everywhere. So as you breathe in, being in touch with the breath, and breathe out, being in touch with the breath, being conscious and aware. Just allow this element of air to awaken in you. How do you feel this? One is the breath moving all through you, carrying your prana, carrying life force energy, the vital energy through you, completely infusing you with consciousness. You can feel the air outside on your skin. Try and become sensitive and aware of the feeling of air on your skin as you breathe in and out. And as you do this, becoming aware of the air outside and the air inside, allow any symbol, any metaphor of Vayu to awaken in you. How does the air element come up for you? Allow any symbol, any representation of the air element to come up for you. Allow your breath to take you to it. As you breathe in, at any image, object, just arise. Don't question it, don't analyze it, just hold it. And exhale. As you continue to hold it, listen to it, see it fully, feel its presence and energy. It could be any object, any symbol, any deity, any form that comes up for you. It could be the linga at Kalahasti, which is the representation of Vayu, or it could be something that is just connected to your personal experience of Vayu. But whatever comes up naturally, it could be something as simple as an object of sound, maybe an instrument comes up for you, or a song. And just stay with that image, with that object, taking energy from it as you breathe in, and listen to it, feel its presence and energy as you exhale. Breathe in consciously, being aware of your breath, taking that energy from that object, and breathe out consciously, listening to it, feeling the presence and energy of whatever it is that has come up for you. Just stay with this object for the rest of the day and see how it moves with you through the day, allows you to be connected to the element of air, allows you to be connected to your breath. Just come back to an awareness of your breath in case you have lost it. Breathe in, being conscious and aware of your in-breath. Breathe out, being conscious and aware of your out-breath. When you feel ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Just send thanks to all the forces of nature, this creation, all the cosmic and celestial forces, seen and unseen, that have allowed us to do this practice today. Send thanks to yourself, your body, breath and being for having shown up for your practice today. And hold the prayer that the fragrance of this practice spreads out and reaches whoever and whatever it needs to reach. I was actually also holding Hanuman in my heart, but I did not want to say it and influence or anything. Hanuman is beautiful, beautiful representation. Thank you so much for that. Okay, that just made my day.